Welcome to your first step into the world of AI. If you've ever wanted to build your own AI models, this is the perfect place to start. In this video, we're going to transform a standard computer into a powerful AI development machine using Linux. We'll be using the Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. But don't worry, the process we'll cover is nearly identical for any Ubuntu installation. We'll go step by step, so you can easily pause and follow along at your own pace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully configured system, complete with a professional IDE, sandboxes for your projects, and all the math and machine learning tools you'll need. Now let's get right to it.
Right-click on the Windows Start menu and open either PowerShell as admin or Windows Terminal as admin. Type WSL --install into the terminal and press Enter. The terminal will show the progress of the installation. Once the terminal indicates the installation is complete and prompts you to reboot. After the reboot, the Ubuntu terminal will open automatically. Type in your desired username and password when prompted. For this instance, I'm keeping it basic password for now. We will change the password later. The terminal prompt will change, indicating that you are now inside your new Linux environment and ready for the next step. Now that your Linux environment is ready, let's get the tools you'll use to write code. First, we'll install Visual Studio Code, our professional code editor for AI development. Go to the VS Code website, download the Windows version, and install it. Make sure to also install the remote WSL extension from the VS Code extensions menu. This is the crucial link that lets VS Code on your desktop work directly inside your Linux environment. Now that that's done, let's go into your Ubuntu terminal. We'll install Python, our main language for AI, and pip its package manager and run the following commands. Sudo apt update, sudo apt install python 3-pip-y. Now, for our first project, we will create an isolated sandbox environment. This is a vital step. We'll create a virtual environment, which is an isolated sandbox for each project. This keeps all your app packages neat and organized. cd tilde. This command takes you to your home directory. mkdir my-first AI project. cd my-first AI project. This creates your new project folder. Python 3-m venv venv. This creates the new virtual environment. Source venv bin/activate. This command activates your new environment. You'll see venv appear in your prompt. If you have any issues as I did, then run sudo apt install python 3.12-venv. Then python 3-m venv venv. You're all set. You now have a professional, isolated workspace ready for your first AI project. You can now install all the necessary libraries for your project without affecting the rest of your system. Let's dig into that next. All right, we're ready to create our first AI project. But first, this is a very important step. We're going to create a virtual environment, if we haven't already, and ensure it is running. If you miss this step, change directory to your user home directory. cd space tilde. Then type ls to list your folders and files. mkdir my-first-ai-project and press enter. In this case, I already created it. Then we move to the new folder. cd my-first-ai-project and press enter. Now type python 3-m venv space venv and press enter. Now type source venv/bin/activate.
You'll know it's activated when you see VENV appear at the beginning of your command prompt. Type pip install NumPy, Pandas, scikit, learn, and press enter. You are now ready to install the necessary libraries for your project. Next, we'll install the essential libraries for any kind of data modeling. NumPy, the core library for mathematical operations and scientific computing. Pandas, our essential tool for data analysis and data manipulation. Scikit-learn, a comprehensive library for traditional machine learning models. Now we'll install the tools for data visualization, which are essential for exploratory data analysis, or EDA. These are the apps that will help you create beautiful charts and graphs to understand what your data is telling you. Type pip install matplotlob seaborn and press enter. Matplotlib, a classic and powerful library for creating plots, graphs, and charts. Seaborn, built on top of matplotlib, this library makes creating beautiful and informative statistical graphs much simpler. To make your life as an AI developer smooth and professional, we need to add the final polish. This is what brings everything together. At the prompt, type pip install Jupyter Notebook. This command installs the notebook server and all its core dependencies. Once that's complete, you can launch it directly from your terminal. This is one of the most important tools for a data scientist. This isn't just a library. It's an entire interactive environment where you can write code, run it in small blocks, see the results immediately, and even add notes and graphs right alongside your code. Next, let's connect our code editor. The easiest way to do this is with one simple command. Codespace dot. If we did it correctly, we will see Visual Studio start automatically and ask us to approve permissions. Click the check mark to always trust our user and click OK. Next, every professional developer uses version control. So let's install Git. It's like a time machine for your code, letting you save your progress and go back to a previous version if you need to. Type sudo apt install git-y. With Git installed, you'll want to add your name and email. Git config-global user.name your name. Git config-global user.email your .email at example.com. This is how Git tracks your changes. I'm typing a mock email for this, but you can also set it with your actual email. Finally, let's fire up our interactive workspace, Jupyter Notebooks. You've already installed it, so all you have to do is run the command to launch it. Type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. This command will start the Jupyter server. You'll see a web address pop up in your terminal. Go ahead and copy that address and paste it into your web browser. This is your interactive lab notebook. When you're finished for the day, simply go back to your terminal window and press Ctrl+C to safely shut down the server. Congratulations, you are now fully set up with a professional-grade environment for AI development. You're ready to start building amazing projects. If you like this tutorial, click like and subscribe. In the comments, what would you like me to cover as well?